Hi all, this is Lipsa. Myself is Lipsa and I'm an artist and designer. Today, first of all, I want to thanks to Subralina that she has given me chance to teach, to show you something regarding art. Art has a many branches and it has a vast area an artist, if you are interested in art, you can become a, not only you become a painter, you can be an architect, you can be a designer, you can be a commercial designer, and designing also itself is a very vast field. And within this limited period of time, this session, it is not possible to tell you very briefly. It's an introduction that I am giving you, that art has a many branches, and designing related to art and designing, these are all correlate to each other. So today, basic fundamentals of art I will tell you. There are first of all, when we are going to do some art, that we have to keep something in our mind, that there are lines, shape, there are what are the elements of arts, what are the medium of arts, what are the colors, what are the color mixing, and many things. So when we explore something, and when we give some expertise for some experienced person, that we gain knowledge. So today I will show you and tell you that very basic things for art, that let me tell you that there are 7 elements of art. And what are those? First thing, shadings of types of shadings, types of pencil, types of colors, what type of colors. Okay, so let's start. All, what are the elements of art? There are line, shape, form, shapes, texture, value, color. And in form, in picture, these are all elements of art. Like this: line, shape, value, texture, color, form, space. Then shading of pencil. These are all types of shading of pencil, like this. You can see these are all types of pencil shading. And while doing pencil shading, why I am today I am telling you about pencil shading, because it's little easier from other medium, that is why. And other medium are very time taking process. So these are all types of shading: hatching, cross hatching, blending, stippling, smudging, shading. So these are all shading we used to follow while doing all sketches. So this is a very basic image, basic object I am going to show you, that how you can follow all shading sketches, all elements, all the thing which required to do art, that may be in any medium. We have to follow the same things. Like, this is a very simple objective things, that object I have taken. This is a, you can see, you can, for you can be a circle, you can that for you this can be a ball, this can be a circle, anything you can take. This is from my imagination I have drawn. And these are all shading pencil I have. These are all shading pencil I have. There are 2B, 3B, 6B, 4B, 8B. There are so many shading pencil are there. And you can do in charcoal also, you can do it in color, you can do it in pastel, in so many, whatever area you have choose. And that will come uh, stage by stage. So today I will show you only pencil work, that I have taken this 2B pencil. And when you draw a sketch, we start from simple object that I have taken. This is a very simple object, that you can do one thing, that you can keep one ball in front of you and you can follow that this is my imagination. From my imagination I am doing. So this is one ball or circle. These are all, when many lines together, it become a shape. Like this is one line, this is one line, this is one line. So this, and from my imagination, if ball is like this, then light come from this side. So there will be a lighted area in this and darker area in this area, and this is the shading. Now I am doing shading. First is light, then shading. First the line became shape, then it became form, then shading. You can choose any of style of shading, that it's up to you. It may be cross, it may be line, it may be dotted, it may be whatever. And this is the shading of the ball. Light come from this side, so there will be a little there will be a lighted area in this area, and so like this it will follow. I am doing one of my flower sketch today. This is my one of my flower sketch, and I will do one simple this is a very simple drawing, and I have so many paintings also. I will show you that which I have participated many exhibition, and these are all my recent sketches that I have drawn in, that these are all on COVID lockdown. This is related to COVID-19. So these are all my simple sketches. I have too many paintings also. This is my sketches, all sketches. This is like this. So I will send you some of my paintings in acrylic. That yeah, this is a very limited period I have got to show you something that thank you.